Hey, I'm going to take you down a slippery slope, but you'll actually be going upwards. If you can acknowledge that there is a creator, the fact that you exist is because there's a creator. And because we're so similar, I mean, as a given, looking around, we're so similar. Apparently, whoever did all this creation, it started from like one. I mean, I'm trying to stay logical. So, then what if you found out that as you went on your adventure through all these lifetime or lifetimes, if you believe that way, and you come to a point where you find out that the creator is actually so good at creating that the creator is in you, like not only in everybody else, but in you. So, as you identify that much, recognize that simultaneously that creator exists past Orion's belt. So if you can do that, then hear this. We are going from carbon based to crystalline based. And those of us that are choosing to do so will live eternally in our breath. In our breath, through love, going up, expanding in awareness. So that's where we're going. And I just said it. And I didn't mumble a lot. And I don't want to start. So have a great day. It's fifth dimensional awareness. It transcends fourth dimension is nothing but kind of fifth density. In that there's still a lot of, that's where the opposition gets. Third dimension, you're the voter. Nobody needs to, you're so dimmed down that you're exploited. Then you start to lift up into fifth density. Hey, there's real stuff going on, and they want to scare you back down. So we're above all that, vibrationally, emotionally, mind, body, spirit. Understand how your body is, that you have one, and that you can live for, well, you are going to live forever. If you want to live in this body right now forever and defer to our creator as to how we're going to transform, I'm explaining. Got to go vegan, and you have to adjust your diet to the long marathon of never passing except the breath, the prana, way down the road, the carbon dissipation as we transform through our divine inheritance, which is coming on 12 April. We're going to receive cellular surface level capability of busting it down, viruses and bacteria. So this is your chance, if you're awake, to start that transition to being what we call a light being. It's such a great word, to be a child of the light, to be photonic in your composition one day, as well as just a loving person that, hey, how you doing? You laugh, you get along, everything's positive. And that's where we're going with this transition. All the underlying negativity just gets put on the bottom where it belongs, and it goes away, and it's not a part of where we're going, because everyone's just going to be positive to themselves and to each other. And then it all works, because we are going to transform in the reward of just behaving like the Beatitudes told us to. So have a great day, and love one another. Love's a great word. Love you. Bye.